Hi there. The problem we're going to work on today is shown here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It says a diamond ring sold for $2,776.80, including tax. So I boxed that and wrote that that was the final price. If the tax rate where the diamond was purchased is 6.8%, find the price of the ring before the tax was added. So the first thing we want to do is really set this up like an equation. Now, just like we talked about in our session, you want to remember that 100% is actually the ring itself. So I'm writing 100% for the ring. And then you want to add it to the 6.8% that you are going to pay for tax, because all of that is already included in the $2,776.80. So now we're saying that the ring price plus the tax is going to be that percentage of the original price, and that will equal the final price. The final price they gave us up there, I boxed it in blue, it's $2,776.80. So now you want to go ahead and combine the ring price, which is the 100%, plus the 6.8%. So now you get 106.8% X equals $2,776.80. But you can't leave that percent in there, so we need to turn that into a decimal. So just like we did before, whenever you go from percent to decimal, you're basically going to be dividing by 100. So you're going to go 2 spaces to the left, 1, 2, like that. So we're going to end up with 1.068x equals 2,776.80. And now it's just a one-step equation. So you're going to go ahead and divide each side by 1.068. And you are left with the final answer, which will be x equals 2,600.